And here we are, the finished product. We're at Kellogg's Soil Corporate Office, and here's a food forest we just installed. Interesting thing about these apple trees, they're espaliered #1, so they grow against a wall, but there's 3 in 1. There's a Fuji on the same tree, here's an Anna, and here's the Golden Dorset apple. So they'll all bloom at different times. Here's a pineapple guava, and of course we have our artichokes. Strawberry tree. Check this one out. It's just blooming like crazy. I call it the dessert tree because it's fruit. It tastes like strawberries. It's like candy. On the other side, same thing. And then we've got our Pollinator Fountain. It's the thing that started this whole thing. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the rest of the planting is going to get done here, right in front of the front entrance, this coming Friday. So same thing, food forest, and pollinator fountain with native succulents. Okay, that's it. We're all done. Take care.